Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up, first and foremost. Well on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if for your first time. Yes, sir. Make we start it like this now, guys. Solaine night and party in a one are going right now. Yes, me. As you can see, the cake looking lovely, little Bible verse something. So yeah, she want to keep her night when she alive, so she can see how it look. That's what she say and never me. But end of the day, still, I mean, she look decent. Them put her together. I'm not gonna tell no lies. Them put her together in the day. Zima guys, comment and tell me what you think. Zima, since Dana program, it has done a lot for her. Zima, and she don't forget where she come from. In that day, Zima. Yeah, man. So, that are the pre, though.
Good class. Yo, man, show me that. I'm take shit for the man.
Go to the station.
I'm moving, boom.
Go to the station.
Yes, sir. Yeah, master. Yeah, master, man. I'm a kid back, man. I see them come back on my shop. Let's hear master. Go to the station. Yeah, master. Driver, you can't drive now, look.
Driver, you need to comply with the police.
Yeah, man. If you man, just hear man, say go on the station, man. Go that way, man. Yo, them man, that's it. I'm mash up. Me got them coming, man, mash him up. Let's hear man, I said that. Take him away, take him away. Just go, brother. Officer. Let's come try the police there. Alright, mommy. Speak up, mommy. Speak up. Speak up, mommy. Speak up, mommy. Speak up.
When you see that, we don't want to see that. So, watch out. The Monday, they did the said altercation with the police, you see me? And later on, the said time about in our next 30 minutes time, about the next 30 minutes time, I think them with arrest him, you see me? So, right now, him there in the cell lock up, you see me? But big man thing still, enough little loose thing are going after Roman raise the boss. Style him own self. So the people them not really take too much talk from police nowadays. You know. Best thing a police can do is stay 6 feet apart like what the government say and angle them business. You see it? Yeah man, cause why are you open the man? Corona must get in contact right there. So what wanna say? I don't like. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, if you still a watch, next up me I hear say my boy from Ding Dong Ravers squad get framed. In a sense, but me make gonna see what going. Here what going.
Look at Saddamite Batman where so he have AIDS and nobody him video himself a fuck. Him do all kind of things, him going at the artist, the inbox. Him try to force up himself by everybody and pretend to be a girl and him always successful with it because men are stupid. Kev, remember say we know, me know, enough people don't know about me know. I know one time you do it and you do it for money. Everybody, let me tell you now what I'm doing it for. Money. You see when Kev do all of them blackmailing and him catch people on tape, him show it to them and tell them say send him 1,000 US or 2,000 US and him don't show anybody or do this. Remember say ransom you hold them people you buy. You go in and you trick them and you tell them you are this and oh I'm such a freaky girl, I like to lick balls and eat ass. Remember we know about you. Enough of them people don't know about you, but we know about you, Kev. We know about you. You understand me? You go in at the people inbox, you put on the biggest front, you have this, you kick up your makeup, you this, and one time the people find out say you are a man, what you do? You blackmail them. You come with the batted thing and you come with this when that wasn't the deal. Notice, the whole of Kev video them, you can never hear no voice. Why? Why you can't hear no voice? Because I'm muted. Because him know no. Him know so what him tell them say him a one girl and him a, them no know say Kev is a man. Kev is a big bumbuckler Batman liar, you know. This your Batman here, him tell life if him hate spill them so much you don't even know. Enough time this your boy I got shit all in he sitting there and chew a ketchup in there say him a bleed. So people send him money. Everybody know about your Batty Kev. So see people never know about you, me I gotta tell you now. You see when Batty Kev do this to people, Batty Kev silent the video them because what is being said in a them video there, I know why I tell you no. People think say my girl and him a freak and oh baby, even hear him girl voice when him put it on and see him, you don't believe. Say so Kev, you see when Kev catch you now, Kev make sure you pay dearly, beer money. Him no work, him no do none of them sitting there. Batty Kev is Batty Kev. Batty Kev do this for a living. If people never know, Ravers, Clavers, the whole hour when they know me, I tell you that right now. Him coming on the inbox and him pretend to be this girl out of this world. One girl won't never book yet, won't want all out of life. All of the freakiest things that you don't want to do to one girl, him I tell you say you can't do to him. Him is a man. And when him fight, when you don't know say my girl, when you find out say it's a man that, him have everything for use against you. And one time him done you, if you not pay him the $1,000, the 2 blood clot $1,000, you pay dearly. Like Mr. Ravers, yeah. Me have all the next one in my inbox, yeah. We do another youth, I don't know what him name. One brown youth, look good too. I mean, I say me rascal, there's so much of them. But him a go, him a pretend, him a tell these people all kind of lie. Batty Kev is like that, I saw Batty Kev say. Ravers, what you gonna do? Me not say Ray, you know. Nothing more than the one silent Ravers like brother. Me just know say, cause I saw you stay, you look upcoming boy. You don't love them freakiness, you enough how you go say vendetta again. You don't love when girl lick out on a miggle. You saw you stay and Keva come. And him a do them sit me and him a set up on a friend them and a fuck up on a friend them. You see me a deal with? Me tell you this man. You see Mr. Ravers, me I tell you this. Don't listen to Batman footer. Make footer go suck out every part-time blood clot mama. You see me? Just, you see if you have a problem with Mr. Blood Clot Silent, deal with Silent. Until Silent say, yo, don't hold it down. Just, don't bother come load up a man on the internet for no pussy hole. If you go shun him, shun him. Shun the youth. If you go shun him, don't come on yes I make no boy boots you. For this the youth neither. You see me I deal with bad to bad, no found have brother and family and cousin and thing. When don't tell me say my bum buckler wrong. Don't make nobody boots if this your friend. Remember when you had his friend one night time. Even though you say you arrest him now, you're done with him now. Don't make nobody boots if it this him youth. Don't make nobody boots if it this the youth. If you're done with him, if you arrest him, rest him. Rest the youth. You see me I deal with? Don't take the boots in front of nobody and diss him. It done happen already, you done say alright, you're not deal with him already. Alright, don't deal with him. Don't take the boots in front of nobody and diss people, dog. You see me I deal with? Don't diss the youth. Him done feel how him feel about it already, it done come out already. Don't take the boots in front of no boy, no pussy. And this the youth. It done happen already. Him feel how him feel already. It done look how it look already. It done gone bad already. Don't take no boots in front of nobody and this the youth. If you are bunny mode, bunny mode. Don't deal with the youth, but don't come on alive with nobody and this the youth. Don't do that. Me not back you up on that. Don't make, if you say, you understand when you say come here, if you don't deal with him, don't deal with him. You see me? You see me? First of all, him never do that in no Ravers, Clavers clothes. Him never have on no ding dong shirt. Him never have on none of that. him just affiliated. The man the day now own a house and do whatever activity with whatever phone. It done come out, it done happen. It never happen in your house, ding dong. It never happen in a batty boy house neither. Yes, anti-bitch. Anti-bitch. It never happen in your house. So you see, nobody no need to come for life come this the youth. It done happen already. Him this. It is this. Him this already. That is done this. Him this. Him out there. You don't need to come for yes and take the boat in front of no batty boy. For this the youth. You done see what you see already. You don't know what you know. Know what you know. Keep what you keep, youth. You see me I deal with? Don't make no bitch. Boats if it this nobody, youth. Make them go this them by themselves, youth. Do you're a big man. You're a big man. I make no bitch tell you what to do. You're a big man. Say, alright, here what? Alright, me done see you deal with that, Ravers. You don't know. Me go why you breeze me. You don't need to tell social media that. You don't need to come live with no girl. Come say that. You don't need to make Auntie Sally dry your gun. No way. Auntie Sally a big waist girl. Make Auntie Sally go suck out him ma. Because guess what? Auntie Sally a look views off of you, youth. For your company in life, your this, your friend, youth. Don't do that. Even though you see where him go on with Yanni Madid Brethren one night time, youth. Even if you don't deal with him right now, you're done with him, you rest him, you don't need to come on a boy or bitch life come diss him. You see me? Yeah man, you know what you know, and I eat that. I eat that. You see me I do it, you don't need to do that. Auntie Sally I'm own bitch boy. Them the bitch they on social media every day a leg of your big suckwood mouth. Every day. A fame thing this now. Them boy they don't do music no more. And the music them big old girl they play no more. Them suckwood big waist girl they. No, none of that them the big waist girl they. Them the waist girl that on social media pest. Every day then they pay us and then arrest we. Everything what this, Jamaica this, and you know want go down the Auntie Sally rest way and go down there. You see me? Go down there and low America alone. And man we have to start blood clot. And man we have to start send ice come down and your place to gay bullying and gay bashing. And you see me? You have to know them little thing the auntie. So gay people can put you in jail for that. For all of them gay bashing you go on with Panay. Remember you have case in front of court for blood clot. See sitting by your foot there. You know some people can anonymously sending them sitting here to ice with you always and bully gay people and them thing there. Yeah, my brethren, them something there are some big heavy facts in a foreign way you can't trouble gay people the way you trouble them. Because I don't know if silent Ravers to trouble you. Yeah, low Batman alone, you. If you can't see Batman and rest them, man. Low Batman. Yeah, you there in our country where 4 Batman, you know, where you fight for there with the same country. And every day you get up a cuss Batman, so you. You're not afraid somebody send it, go give Uncle Sam. For sure, you gay bully people every day.
I want to see you from